Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Ameya and we are discussing about AVEVA PDMS structures, in which in previous video we have discussed about creating a wall or floor. In this video we will talk about creating fittings for various walls. So for fittings, first you need to select a wall in which you want to add a fitting. So I am selecting this wall to add a fitting, and then you can go to create options and go to wall fittings. Okay, we will be looking at standard fittings for now. So I am selecting a standard fitting. A wall fitting toolbox will open, and it will show the coordinates for that wall. Okay, so here we need to understand which is the inside part and which is the outside part. So this is outer edge is basically the inside of a wall, because we have created wall from this side, and the back side is the outer side of a wall. And directions x, y and z we need to understand. Y is the upward, x is the horizontal, z is the depth. Okay, so once you understand these coordinates and specifications, then you can come to the standard fittings. Okay, in which you can create a electrical fittings, fire protection, standard window, standard door. Various fittings are also available. We will go for fire protection and windows and doors, maybe depending upon the selection. So you can go to fire protection. You can select a protection type which you want. Hoses are there already, so we will just keep on selecting. A wall mounted hose will be created, and then what we need to do is we need to give a distance offset from. Okay, you want to give offset from inside or outside. Okay, that you can decide. And distance along the wall, so this is basically you can give distance along the wall as say 1000, and you can see my cursor is getting shifted. And elevation you want to give say 5000, my cursor is getting shifted to top. So I'm just giving a distance 1500 and 5000. Once I'm sure how you want to give, you can just go and say apply and dismiss. A wall fitting of wire hose will be added from the inside. Okay, if this is not perfectly visible, you can just go to settings, graphics, and in representations you can select the hold on option on, and that basically creates a fire hose. Okay, if you want to modify anything, you can just click on that setting fittings, and you can go to modify wall fitting, and then you can modify the inside of a wall. Okay, so now this hose is created on the outside with a reference of inside wall. Okay, so this is how you can modify various fittings. Now I am deleting this fitting and we are adding two more fittings, that is door and window. So I am selecting a wall. You can go to create wall fittings, standard, and I am going for standard window. Okay, so for standard window you can select the window, and there are various types of windows. Okay, direct glaze, single panel, single opening, top hung, single pane. So you can just check what kind of options are available. You can select any of the options, and then there will be standard two options which are available. So these are the all options which are stored in the AVEVA library right now. Okay, so these are the options which will be available in the basic library. So you can just select whatever you want, and then what we can do is then we can give the outside inside option. That option will be always there, and you can go to properties, and you can say insert from wall face 25 is there. Let us say open angle, I am making it 45-degree open. Okay, and then you can give distance 1500 to make it at the center, somewhere around the center, and making 5000 for the top. Okay, and I am just saying apply, and if you check, a window is created with an open angle of 45-degree. This is visible because hold on option is on. So if you want to modify, you can just keep on selecting that and go to modify wall fitting, and in properties I will make it not 25, I will make it 50. Okay, so offset is basically getting changed. Okay, how much offset you want to get inside a wall or outside a wall, that is what the properties will keep on changing. And then you can have a 30-degree angle. The angle will change of opening. If you want that window to come outside, you can just select modify wall fittings and change this. Window will open from the outside. Okay, similarly you can make a door. So I will select a wall again, create wall fitting, standard. You can go with the door option, standard door. Then you have external standard, internal standard. Okay, escape doors, what kind of doors you want. I will go for a external standard door. Then a single door, double door option, I will go for double door. Now there are opening outside, opening inside options. You can just select a standard specifications are available. You can go to properties and say open angle to be 45-degree. Okay, and for distance along the wall I can go 1000. Elevation I will just give 50 as my elevation, not perfectly at the bottom, so I am just keeping some space from the bottom and I am just saying apply. Okay, a double door with an angle open of 45 degrees created. Okay, if you want a closed door, you can just create a closed door. You can even change the modify wall fittings option and you can just change it to a single door, right angle, and the whole door will get changed to a single door. And then you can change the angle, say 60-degree, and that door will be open for 60-degree. Okay, so this is how you can create various fittings. There are options available for wall fittings, those are electrical fittings, fire fittings, doors, standard walls, sorry, standard windows, and many more. Okay, so just try out these options of fittings. For creating a wall fitting, you just need to understand where to insert that fitting, in which orientation, inside, outside, and the location of that fitting. Okay, so this is what I want to discuss in this video. You can check various videos which are available related to structures, and if you like this content, do subscribe my channel and keep following for more videos. Okay, thank you for joining.